So my beautiful people, a very well-known politician's video is circulating online where he is giving his newfound love a baby girl treatment inside private jet. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. Another episode of our Amiibo. Former governor of Edo State, Oshiomhole, this video is circulating all over the internet where he was found giving a girl, a young Instagram baddie, a massage on her face. Initially, we know that these politicians usually hide their dealings with the girls, but now these people are rubbing it in our faces that Oshiomhole now can get a new girlfriend. You know that it was Ned Moko that was showing us that any man at any age can get any girl. Just because you have money, you can get any girl. Now, Oshiomhole is now telling Nigerians that he has made it in his life. Now he is flying in Instagram baddies and giving them feet massage in our face. Did you even know that somebody was capturing the video of their moments? I don't need to say much. You need to see this video for yourself. How the Instagram baddie and Oshiomhole, they inside private jet, they rub themselves. Oh boy, with money. My gender, sha. Watch this video. I had to do a background check on this guy. On this man. It's not, well, I don't have to say he's a guy. On this man, if you knew Oshiomhole, you know that when he was a former NLC, Nigerian Labour Congress chairman. So in his days, he was given to the federal government back to back. They collect anyhow thing from the federal government. Now, for somebody with such integrity, flying in Instagram buddies. I know men usually do this thing when they have money. But somebody with such integrity and everything, it's just like saying that Peter Obi will now be flying in Instagram buddies. Or the OS showing us videos of where he's massaging the feet of Instagram buddies. I don't know how to feel about this video. But this guy had integrity. He doesn't take anything from the federal government. Now, he's splurging the luxury, the money he got probably from the Edo people, from the pockets. Now he's giving it to Instagram buddies. Other countries, this kind of video infuriates them, and it sparks one thing or the other. But in Nigerians like watching their leaders or their politicians be embezzling money and be looking at them. You can imagine Oshiomhole flying Instagram baddies. Instagram baddie. Look at the girls. The girls just they enjoy the sweet, the soft life. He's just massaging the. Oh my God, I cannot believe this video. Instagram baddie Oshiomhole. Anyway, however you feel about this video, please, I need your comments on the comment section because this one is hot topics. I'm your girl, Bella.